नाइसिनामाइड नाउ नाइसिनामाइड आजकल बहुत पॉपुलर है इंस्टाग्राम से देख के मोस्ट ऑफ माय पेशेंट्स हु कम टू मी दे आर अप्लाइंग नाइसिनामाइड सो बेसिकली इट helps in even tone, it helps to reduce pigmentation, it works as an anti-aging product, it helps regulate oil production. I am giving it in my acne patients, pigmentation patients, glow for skin glow. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mahima Wadhwa and today let's talk about a very important topic, niacinamide. Now niacinamide आजकल बहुत popular है Instagram से देख के most of my patients who come to me they are applying niacinamide. They don't even know क्यों apply करना है, उसका क्या indications है, कैसे apply करना है, but they're just applying it. एक वो भीड़ चाल चल चुकी है. So today let's discuss what it is and how to apply it. So niacinamide is derived from vitamin B3 and basically it is a very important ingredient these days. It has an ample of functions. It can be used for in a number of indications. So basically it helps in even tone, it helps to reduce pigmentation, it works as an anti-aging product, it helps regulate oil production. So it even helps in oil control in patients who have oily skin. It helps in reduction of inflammation, so it is very good for acne prone skin as well. So it also helps increase ceramides. So niacinamide overall has multiple advantages. So most of the patients can apply it. Now how can we apply it? So niacinamide, as it can be used for multiple indications, not necessarily patient is using only one key ingredient. So if you're using niacinamide in acne prone skin, it can be combined with salicylic acid or azelaic acid. And even if the patient is using topical benzoyl, so niacinamide can be applied in the morning. In acne prone skin, it will help you reduce the oil production. It will help the red marks in acne. It will help you reduce that. And also the inflammation in acne is reduced because of niacinamide. So usually when applied in the morning, I ask the patients to top it up with moisturizer and sunscreen. In the morning, if you feel very sticky, you can even skip the moisturizer and straight away you can top it up with sunscreen. Now in case of anti-aging, the niacinamide usually comes in combinations with many. These is a lot of products are available. So in which niacinamide is in combination with the arbutin, kojic acid. So these kind of combination agents can be applied in case of pigmentation. And in that case, I usually ask the patient to apply it at night. And again, it is usually topped up with moisturizer. So in my practice, I ask my patients to apply moisturizer after every ingredient because many patients who have a sensitive skin, they feel dryness, redness post application of any product. Especially in cocktail products which have 2-3 things, we will not know which product is causing the problem. So it is always better to combine it with moisturizer. Now again, what is the concentration used? So again, the concentration will vary anywhere between 2% to 10%. The single agent which is available in niacinamide, mostly 10% concentration is advised. And I am giving it in my acne patients, pigmentation patients, glow for skin glow. And it can be even given to patients who just want to follow a regime and just want a healthy skin. So for that purpose as well, the patients can use it even if they have a normal skin type. So the irritation might be because of the product or sometimes because of some other agents added to it. So in case you get, so it's always better to go for dermatologist recommended products. Do not, just start following anybody on Instagram and start using those products, because your dermatologist will know what percentage to prescribe and what to use and which product to combine it with and which indication it should be used in your case. So yes, and in case of any queries, please you can contact us or visit your dermatologist and then you can start applying this product. I hope I'm clear, and I would be happy to answer any further queries. Thank you. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much.